Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Judge orders Trump administration to restore $12M to American Academy of Pediatrics. Mednews. A U.S. district judge has ruled that the Trump administration must restore millions in funding to the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, which was cut allegedly due to the OP's public health positions. The judge said the evidence suggests the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, may have acted with a retaliatory motive when it ended the grants in December. The funding supports programs aimed at rural health care, preventing sudden infant death, and early screening for disabilities in young kids, among other child health initiatives. The OP says the funding was cut after it spoke out against administration policies, including changes to childhood vaccine guidance and restrictions on gender-affirming care. HHS has denied these claims, saying the grants no longer matched department priorities. The judge said the OP showed it would suffer irreparable harm without the funding, and that keeping the programs running serves the public interest, especially while the court case continues. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.